I just got to check the time and all, and the fire alarm goes off. What the? I just got my phone out to check the time and all, and the fire alarm went off. I'm thinking, every time I do something, the fire alarm goes off. This is really creeping me out now. I hate this school. I'm going to stop it. That's not fair.
Well, I don't want to miss science quick.
But I haven't heard the fire alarm go off in ages. Okay, a term, yeah. But
Because of those exams going on, I wonder if
Mr. Lord set off the fire alarm. I don't know who set off actually.